Have you ever had a situation where you felt like someone didn't value you as much as they used to? It can be really painful, right? But what if I told you that there's an easy trick that can totally change that and leave them scratching their heads, wondering what happened? Stay with me, because this little shift can make a huge difference. Welcome to our channel, where we'll dive into the fascinating world of human behavior and relationships. Today, we're going to talk about what to do when someone stops appreciating you. This tip isn't just about getting their attention back, it's about taking back your own power and setting new standards for how others should treat you. Ready to learn? Let's go. When someone stops showing appreciation, the first thing we tend to do is try harder, maybe by being more available or trying to prove our worth. But the surprise is that the best thing to do is actually the opposite. The biggest power move you can make is to take a step back. Yeah, you heard me right. Instead of trying to give more, you need to back off a bit. By taking a step back, you make some space. And when there's space, the other person notices your absence. We humans take things for granted if they're always there, but when they're not, we realize what we've missed. This applies to all kinds of relationships, not just romantic ones. It works with friends, family, and even coworkers. Stepping back isn't playing games. It's about redirecting your energy from worrying about how someone treats you to focusing on yourself. Do things that make you happy. Improve yourself and grow. When you're the best version of you, people can't help but notice. They see your confidence, independence, and strength. That's when things start to change. It's also about setting boundaries. Don't let anyone take advantage of you. Know your worth and don't settle for less than you deserve. When someone stops caring about you, it's usually because they've gone too far emotionally. That's when you need to let them know through your actions what's acceptable and what's not. If people see that you have enough self-respect to set boundaries, then they'll either respect that or move on. And believe me, either way is a win for you. The best thing that can happen is that the person who wasn't valuing you realizes their mistake and tries to get back in your life. But if they don't, then that's okay too, it means you've made room for someone who will appreciate you for who you are. Either way, the ball's in your court. So remember, the best way to deal with someone who doesn't appreciate you is to give them some space and focus on growing yourself. People always appreciate what they could lose. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, to share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel about human behavior and relationships. Thanks for watching.